In today's video, we'll explore a topic that has been shrouded in confusion for decades: the relationship between eggs and heart disease. Are eggs good or bad for your heart? Do they truly raise cholesterol levels, or should you avoid them altogether? These questions have left many of us overwhelmed and confused. But fear not, for in this comprehensive piece, we will dive deep into the truth about eggs and heart disease, finally putting an end to the debate. We will dissect the science, examine key studies, and debunk the myths surrounding this controversial food. Moreover, we will discuss the potential problems associated with eggs and how to make informed choices to mitigate them. Like and subscribe to our channel to get tips on healthy living. In 1961, Ancel Keys introduced the notion that saturated fats and dietary cholesterol were the primary culprits behind heart disease. This idea quickly took hold, despite mounting evidence to the contrary. However, the conversation has since evolved, with many doctors and scientists now challenging the traditional belief that cholesterol and saturated fats are the true causes of heart disease. For instance, the 2004 Rotterdam study demonstrated that participants who consumed higher amounts of eggs, cheese, butter, and liver had lower rates of heart disease. These foods, once deemed bad cholesterol sources, have been shown to potentially reduce heart disease risk. The enigmatic phenomenon known as the French paradox serves as a captivating puzzle piece in the larger narrative of eggs and heart disease. The French population, renowned for their culinary indulgences that include copious amounts of butter and high-fat cheeses, defies conventional wisdom by maintaining remarkably low levels of heart disease. This paradox raises a compelling question. How can a nation renowned for its decadent cuisine, which many would assume would spell doom for heart health, manage to achieve such impressive cardiovascular well-being? This paradox underscores the complexity of the interplay between dietary factors and heart health. The conventional belief that saturated fats and cholesterol are the primary drivers of heart disease is challenged by the French paradox's stark contrast to this notion. If cholesterol and saturated fats were the sole culprits, logic would dictate that the French population should be experiencing elevated rates of heart disease due to their diet rich in these supposedly detrimental elements. However, the true complexity of the issue emerges when cholesterol undergoes the process of oxidation. Oxidation, in the context of cholesterol, is a biochemical reaction that occurs when cholesterol particles come into contact with free radicals, those highly reactive and unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on cells and tissues within the body. This interaction with free radicals can be likened to a corrosive process, much like how rust deteriorates metal over time. When cholesterol particles are oxidized, they undergo chemical changes that alter their structure and properties. This transformation doesn't just stop at the superficial level, it delves much deeper, affecting the very essence of cellular function. Oxidized cholesterol particles, now misshapen and compromised, set off a chain reaction of disruptive events within the body's intricate systems. Foremost among these disruptive events is the activation of a potent inflammatory response. Inflammation, typically the body's defense mechanism against harm, becomes misdirected in the presence of oxidized cholesterol. Instead of targeting a specific threat, the inflammatory response turns inward, attacking healthy cells and tissues. This internal conflict triggers a cascade of chemical signals that ripple throughout the body, culminating in a state of chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation, as we have come to understand, is at the heart of numerous chronic diseases, including atherosclerosis, the narrowing and hardening of arteries. In this context, oxidized cholesterol particles act as the proverbial spark that ignites the inflammatory inferno. Their presence within the arteries initiates a series of events that lead to the accumulation of plaque, a combination of cholesterol, immune cells, and other substances. This plaque buildup, akin to a roadblock on a highway, restricts blood flow and diminishes the flexibility of the arteries. As a result, the risk of various cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes, becomes significantly elevated. But what about eggs specifically? A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating 3 eggs per day improved cholesterol quality in overweight subjects. These eggs increased their levels of HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, which transports excess cholesterol from the bloodstream to the liver for removal. This research highlights that the quality of cholesterol matters more than mere quantity. Eggs are indeed a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a complete protein profile, essential amino acids, healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, E, K, B vitamins, and minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Eggs are also a fantastic source of choline, a crucial nutrient for cell membrane formation, brain development, and overall health. Their antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, protect eye health. Moreover, Eggs have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Choosing high-quality eggs is a crucial aspect that deserves careful consideration in your quest for optimal health. When it comes to eggs, not all are created equal. The distinction between conventionally produced eggs and those sourced from pasture-raised and free-range hens goes beyond mere semantics. It profoundly impacts the nutritional content and health benefits they offer. Let's delve into the nuanced world of egg production methods and their implications. Conventionally raised hens, often confined to cramped cages, are subjected to unnatural conditions that hinder their ability to engage in natural behaviors. Their diet primarily consists of commercial feed, lacking the diversity and nutrient richness that hens in their natural habitat would enjoy. As a result, the eggs produced by these hens are limited in their nutritional scope. In stark contrast, pasture-raised and free-range hens are granted the freedom to roam and forage as nature intended. Their diet encompasses a broad spectrum of plants, insects, and worms that contribute to a more diverse nutrient profile in their eggs. This natural diet, coupled with ample space to move, results in eggs that are not only nutritionally richer, but also ethically and environmentally sound. The choice of cooking oil goes beyond its impact on flavor. It can have far-reaching consequences on our well-being. As we explore this aspect, we'll uncover why some oils are more prone to oxidation and the implications of using unstable oils in our culinary endeavors. Cooking oils are a staple in most kitchens, serving as a fundamental component in meal preparation. However, not all cooking oils are created equal, and their behavior under various conditions can have a direct impact on our health. The term oxidation might sound scientific, but its implications are quite significant. Oxidation is a chemical process that occurs when oils are exposed to factors like heat, light, and air. This process leads to the formation of harmful compounds known as free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can damage cells, tissues, and DNA within the body. In conclusion, the long-held belief that eggs are detrimental to heart health has been challenged by robust research. While dietary cholesterol and saturated fats might not be the sole culprits, the quality of cholesterol and the overall nutritional content of eggs matter. Choosing high-quality eggs, cooking methods, and oils are essential factors to consider when incorporating eggs into your diet. By understanding these nuances, you can make informed choices that promote heart health and overall well-being.